Medulla of the adrenal gland. We have the cortex of the kidney, and these structures are the renal pyramids. And the base of the renal pyramids, you'll find the renal papilla. Renal papilla is the base. And between the pyramids are the renal columns. These structures here are the minor calyces. Each of these is called the minor calyx, major calyx, and then it goes into this area which is then called the renal pelvis, and the substance to be excreted goes through the ureter and ultimately into the bladder, and they get excreted through the urethra. So we have here, the red is the artery, and this is the renal artery that comes from the descending aorta. And the blue is the vein, the renal vein, and it the blood that after it goes through the filtering process, it exits out of the renal vein into the inferior vena cava. These little yellow dots are the Bowman's capsules, and these white lines are the loops of Henle. And we'll look at a close-up of the nephron and the collecting structures. Okay, this is a Bowman's capsule. I think I dropped the capillaries on the ground. So this piece is this segment here. This is the cortex, and this is the medulla region. So we have we have two types of nephrons. One is, the shorter one is the cortical nephron, and the longer one is the juxtamedullary nephron. The Bowman's capsules and the glomerular capillaries inside each of the Bowman's capsule. Afferent and efferent arterioles, and the one with the bigger diameter is the afferent arteriole, and the one with the smaller diameter is the efferent tubule. And this represents these little round structures, the Bowman's capsule. Proximal convoluted tubules, descending loop of Henle, ascending loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubules, collecting ducts, travels down to the papillary duct. Once it travels all the way down through the medulla of the renal pyramid down to the papilla, renal papilla, it enters into the minor calyx, and all the minor calyces lead to the major calyx and the renal pelvis down to the ureter